Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your watch battery is at least 20% and the firmware is updated, because AOD drains power and needs current software. Unlock the watch and ensure it's paired to your phone if that unlock dependency exists. Once done, pick a watch face that supports always-on display. Not every face will. This first step prevents errors later and prepares the device for the actual AOD activation process. Now dive into activation. Open Settings, go to Display, and tap Always on Display. You'll choose a mode, dim, ambient, or full, based on how much information you want visible and how much battery you can spare. Then configure timeout and brightness so the screen conserves power yet remains readable. Make sure to enable or disable app notifications on AOD depending on privacy needs. These choices balance visibility versus finish by testing. Lock the watch and verify the always-on display shows per your chosen mode. Cycle through watch faces to confirm compatibility. If AOD won't stay active, reboot the device, disable battery saver, and look for apps that may override display settings. Finally, monitor battery drain for a day. If it's excessive, lower brightness, shorten timeout, or switch to dim mode. This troubleshooting sequence resolves most problems and helps you keep AOD both useful and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.